Hey guys, how you doing? In this video I'm going to show you on how you can convert your DV lottery photo that is in PNG format to JPEG. As you know, if your photo is in PNG and you want to crop it to the government website, you can't be able to do that. As you see this example, this is a DV lottery photo. Let me just show you. This photo is in PNG. So if I want to crop this photo to the government website, which is photo tool, I can't be able to do that unless I convert this photo to JPEG. And to do this, it's super easy. You need to go to your app store and search for an app called JPEG PNG image file converter. This is the app that you need to download to any of your iOS device, whether using iPhone or iPad. I never test this application for an Android device. So once you download this app, all you need to do is to tap on load photo. All right, so you select the file where your PNG photo is. So let me just scroll down and search for the photo. This is the photo that I want to use. All right, I want to crop it. Yeah, PNG. So this is the PNG photo. Yeah, so now what I need to do to change this format, I need to tap on that convert and I need to tap on save as JPEG. This is the photo. All right, now succeeded. So I have saved this photo now from PNG to JPEG. Let me just show you now on the photo that I have just saved from PNG to JPEG. As you see, this is the photo that I have already converted from PNG to JPEG. Now this photo, I can easily go to the government website, which is travel.state.gov, then go inside photo tool. Then guess what? I can easily crop this photo now and use it inside my DV lottery application form if I want to apply. So this is all about the video. So if you have any question about this video, please feel free to let me know. But this is an amazing way, because if your photo is in PNG, you can be able to even to upload it in the application form. So if you found this video useful, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. See you on my next video. Peace.